Second largest city, Lahore, is on edge. Hundreds of police officers have been confronting supporters of former Prime Minister Imran Khan ahead of his possible arrest there. Police have fired tear gas and water cannon, but supporters are staying put. Pakistan's Interior Minister has vowed to arrest Khan and present him in court by the end of the day. Khan, for his part, has called on people to come out of their homes and fight for their freedoms.
Police
has arrived at my residence to arrest me, and they think if I will be arrested and imprisoned, then the nation will sleep. But you all should prove them wrong. You have to prove you're a living nation and the followers of Prophet Muhammad. You have to fight for your right and for the real freedom. You have to come out and have to struggle. I'm fighting your fight. I have struggled all my life and will continue to fight. But if they put me behind bars or kill me, then you have to prove that without me, this nation will struggle for freedom.
Well, let's speak to Kamal Haider. He's across